Having no plan equals lost sales, disappointed guests, and fewer revisits. If your souvenir photo sales are flat, guests aren't engaging with your team, or results feel completely unpredictable, it might not be your team alone. It might be the lack of a clear plan for winning. I'm Jeff Secrease with Souvenir Photography Advisors. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our audit and implementation service, the Souvenir Photography Success Plan. You'll learn why many operations underperform even with great effort, how our GAPS framework helps fix what's broken and align your team, and what this could look like step by step inside your attraction. Because every day you go without a plan, guests feel it even if you don't notice it. So here are a few signs that your souvenir photo operations might be underperforming. Your photographers are capturing guest photos, but sales are low and inconsistent. Team morale is down and leadership can't pinpoint the real problem. Performance varies by day, shift, or location, and you're not sure where to start or what changes would matter the most. These aren't isolated issues. They are signs your operation lacks alignment, structure, and strategy. Now, operational blindness is real. When your team's in the day-to-day, it's easy to miss what's broken or to assume the problem might just be your team, but often it's the system that's unclear. Now, we help teams reconnect with the guest perspective with operational insights. When we do that, things shift entirely. Guest satisfaction goes up, revenue increases, leadership stops guessing, and start leading with confidence. This isn't about changing everything you do. It's about aligning what you already have with your team, tools, and timing with what guests actually want at your attraction. Now, the Souvenir Photography Success Plan is a done-for-you advisory service built around our proprietary GAPS framework: guests, approach, photography, presentation, and sales. We evaluate your souvenir photo operations from both a guest and operational perspective. We walk through your souvenir photo operation and attraction, observe your team, identify where the breakdown happens, and then we rebuild the foundation so every part of your operation supports the next. So unlike surface level audits where we don't stop at the just diagnostic stage, we work alongside with your team to implement, test, and train for results. Now here's how it works. Step 1, we experience your business as a guest. We document a full journey to understand how your guests actually feel and engage with your photo experience. Step 2, team observation and audit. We watch your team in action, spotting gaps, missing moments, and real strengths. Step 3, field tested solutions. We try improvements live with your team to ensure they hold up in real conditions. Step 4, strategy and visual tools. We deliver a custom plan with hands-on tools like our guest success shot framework and certified optimized camera settings. This helps create consistency amongst your entire team. In step 5, leadership briefing and alignment. We align your executive or management team with clear actions, timelines, and measurable goals. In step 6, ongoing support. We offer optional ongoing support, both virtual and on-site, to help your team stay aligned for a long-term success plan. So who is this for? Well, this service is perfect for attractions and tourism brands with in-house or third-party photo teams, leaders who sense the experience should be better but doesn't know where to start, operations struggling with consistency, turnover, or declining photo revenue, and top-performing teams who are ready to level up their system and scale the results. So if you want a clear, customized plan to elevate performance, this is it. No plan means daily losses in both revenue and your reputation. If your operation isn't improving each month, you're already paying the price for inaction. So click the link in the video description or tap the blue Schedule My Discovery Call button on this page to talk with us about turning your photo experience into a guest magnet and revenue driver. As Souvenir Photography Advisors, we help you lead with clarity and deliver with confidence. Thank you for watching and stay guest focused.